Alright, so we're going to do something a little bit different today. I have two bags. I have my old TP-6B bag here, and I got this TP-LD about 2 weeks ago. So what I did is I swapped everything out of my old bag and put it into my new bag. And now I have a new helper that just started. So I got new stuff for his bag that I'm going to show you, and then we'll look and see how everything that was in that bag fits in this bag. On his bag, I tried to go more economical but functional, and I didn't want a bunch of crap, so I went with mostly Milwaukee stuff. I think the best way to do this might be just to pull them both out at the same time and kind of show you the differences between what's in my bag and what's in his bag. He has not seen his bag yet, so we might see it on YouTube. I guess we'll start with, I got him a brand new Gen 3 Milwaukee Fuel Impact, and I also have the Gen 3 Milwaukee Fuel Impact, but I have this cool thing on the side of mine. Mine's old, and boy, I should probably trade him, but it's fine. On the side I've got Malco flip socket and some little 1/4 inch number 3 small flathead, number 1 Phillips, and a T25. That one's on mine. For him, instead of doing that, I just got him a new Milwaukee bit case that's got all the bits and a few drill bits in it. He can decide which ones he likes the most and carry those around. My bits that I use the most are here, and then I've got in this front pocket here. Just some drill bits and a couple of nut drivers and 3/8 adapter. I have this old Milwaukee knife that has the screwdriver, and it's the one that they made before they put that little tiny ball in it that falls out and makes your knife worthless. And on him, I just got him a plain old Milwaukee fastback. Oh, that thing needs broke in. I think that's about the first time it's been flipped. Also the same, I have a stud buddy. I got him a stud buddy. Let's see. I have this Milwaukee 6-inch wrench, and they didn't have them at Home Depot when I was buying all his stuff, so I got him the Stanley equivalent, and this thing, I don't know. It, in comparison to the Milwaukee, feels so cheap. It weighs like half as much as the Milwaukee. And when you try to move it back and forth, I guess it's smoother, but I don't know if that's good because this one stays where you put it at. This one just feels a little floppy. But we'll see. Maybe we'll have to find a Milwaukee one. So I have this heavy Milwaukee 14-in-1 precision screwdriver, and I like it. And he got this guy, the smaller version. I think it's a 4-in-1. But his does have the belt clip. And that is the thing that I will miss. What else is it saying? He's got 2 markers. I grabbed him 2 brand new ones. I still have my 2 old ones. I got a red and a black. He has 2 blacks. Let's see. On the side of my bag, I have this Milwaukee little ratchet with the carabiner on it. And I like this. I've been scared I was going to break it a couple times now, but it is very durable. And he just has this little, oh, I think it says GW. I don't know who made it. It's got a little GW logo on it. It feels heavy. I think it's heavier than the Milwaukee one. It is. But I might like the light one better. We'll see. We'll go to hand tools. Got him brand new pair of Milwaukee wire strippers, and I have the exact same ones. Mine are a little older. But, you know, I've been doing this for 12 years or so, working out of a bag. So I kind of know in this job what I'm going to need. So I just got him basically the same thing. Pair of Milwaukee needle nose and pair of Milwaukee needle nose, pair of Milwaukee crimps, and pair of Milwaukee crimps. These are much cleaner. I kind of want to steal some, but I'll let him dirty his own tools up. I have the made in the USA 13-in-1 Milwaukee screwdriver. And I got him the Milwaukee 11-in-1 made in China screwdriver. I also have another pair of wire strippers in mine that go down to 24. And I did not get those for him yet. So we'll see how he does with the regular ones. If he ends up needing them, we'll get them. Let's see. I got him these Milwaukee knockoffs of the Knipex pliers. And I have a pair of Knipex push button pliers. These are both the 10-inch, I believe. And then I also have the Knipex channel locks. And they got rusty, so I probably got to oil those. But I do like these. These are my favorites. They're just a little bit easier for me to use than the push button, especially when you're trying to do stuff one hand. I had these. I did not like them. We might have to do something else. I got him a set, but they're too big, so I took them out and I put these in. These Allen keys by Milwaukee. And I put in my bag these Tomar's Allen keys, which I really like these. They're long and heavy duty, and somehow I did not break them in the last month doing insanely stupid things with them. But those are the Tomar's. You can get those on Amazon, and they're actually pretty nice. Flashlights. I have this Milwaukee light with a rechargeable battery that takes micro USB, and I got him this Coast light, which is basically the same size, and it has a little place on it where you can plug in a USB-C. So I'm a little jealous there. His is also adjusting, and his costs half as much as mine. though, boasts way more features. I think they're both 800 lumens also. I got him this little pry bar. I don't think he's going to be doing anything too heavy duty. And what I have is this large pry bar with a hammerhead on it. I like this. It really doesn't weigh very much, and it fits perfectly in this little bag. Both bags have these Makita sockets. Mine's just down inside of here. Here, if you wanted to see the TP-6B, or this is the TP-LD. That's the inside of it. I'm gonna grab out a few more things, but it's got some pockets up front, pockets on the sides. I have a Milwaukee extension. Have not gotten him that. That is a tiny screwdriver that a friend gave me. A little chisel. I have a parts container. It's not exciting. Let's see. I have on mine the T5-600 meter with the amp. I guess you call it a clamp. I don't know. And I gave him a Milwaukee meter without an amp clamp. It's one of those auto ranging, auto everything meters. You just turn it on and it works. And it's got a flashlight on it also. But since it takes 2 AAA batteries, I would not advise using that flashlight for very long. In my bag, I have a Fluke non-contact voltage tester. He does not have a Fluke non-contact voltage tester. We both have a Milwaukee 16-foot tape measure. This is an old one, and it has this clip back here that is very strong. And this is the one that I just bought for him, and it has this little flimsy clip on it, and the whole thing feels like a child's toy. I think they cost about the same. I don't remember when I bought mine, but this one was $17, I think. Electrical tape, plumbing tape. Same over here, but his plumbing tape hasn't been beaten to death yet. Then in the back of his bag, he has some zip ties and a Milwaukee crimp set. I have the same Milwaukee crimp set. And also in the back of his bag, he has an Empire blue level. And in the back of mine, I have a Milwaukee aluminum level. His Empire is a little bit longer. I think they'll both level about the same. I have some zip ties, and I have a security bit set, which we might have to get them. We'll just see what happens. The main thing is, I don't like sharing tools and wondering where my screwdriver is while somebody else is holding it. Up at the top of the TP-LD, there's a pocket here, and I've got it full of wire nuts and connectors. And there's really no place for that on here, so we're gonna have to get him a parts bag for connectors and screws. Other than that, I think that's about it. We'll see if he likes that bag. And hopefully he sticks around and does not abscond with it. I got a couple more things back here, just a pair of gloves and some shark bite disconnects, because you always need those. Got some emery cloth back there too for your shark bites. Well, other than that, I think that is about the excitement. I so far really like this TP-LD. I've had it 2 weeks now, I think. It's got the V-swap, but I'm gonna just leave it alone and we'll go from there. Well, thanks for watching this.